I am among those who think that science has great beauty. A scientist in his laboratory is not a mere technician. He is also a child confronting natural phenomena that impress him as though they were fairy tales. You can only analyze the data you have. Be strategic about what to gather and how to store it. First principle: never to let one's self be beaten down by persons or by events. Stability can only be attained by an active matter. All that I saw and learned was a new delight to me. One never notices what has been done. One can only see what remains to be done. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. More and more, I feel the need for a house and a garden. The older one gets, the more one feels that the present moment must be enjoyed, comparable to a state of grace. I am one of those who think like Nobel, that humanity will draw more good than evil from new discoveries. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Humanity needs practical men, who get the most out of their work, and, without forgetting the general good, safeguard their own interests. Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it. Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. You must never be fearful of what you are doing when it is right. I was taught that the way of progress is neither swift nor easy. You cannot hope to build a better world without improving the individuals. Life is not easy for any of us. But what of that? We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. It's always good to marry your best friend.